I switched to Diet Coke. No sugar, no calories, same routine. And that was the problem. I changed the drink. I did not change the network. Because your brain does not store craving in one place. There is no single craving button. There is a craving network. 6 parts. Each one has a job. When I switched from regular Coke to Diet Coke, the sugar was gone, but the network still recognized the pattern. Start with the hypothalamus, your body's appetite control room. Sweet taste tells this system, something rewarding may be coming, pay attention. With regular Coke, sweetness was followed by sugar. With Diet Coke, sweetness still arrives, the sugar does not. The science is more variable than a simple trick, but sweet taste can still put the body in expectation mode. Nothing comes, the craving stays open. Then, the dopamine system gets involved. And here's what most people get wrong. Dopamine is not pleasure. It is prediction. It learns what comes before reward. Cold can, sweet taste, fizz, afternoon. The brain stops waiting for the sugar. The cue itself starts triggering the craving. Diet Coke removes the sugar, it does not remove the prediction. Then comes the striatum, the habit engine. The striatum does not read the nutrition label. It reads patterns. Same fridge, same hand, same can, same time. The conscious brain says, 0 sugar, fine. The habit engine says, I know this routine, run it again. That is why the craving survives even when the sugar is gone. Then the insula tracks what the body feels. Diet Coke is not just sweet, it is cold, fizzy, sharp, caffeinated. Plain water does not lose because it is bad, it loses because, compared to this, it feels like silence. The body is not asking only for sugar, it is asking for the whole sensory event. Then the amygdala gives it emotional meaning. This is not just a drink anymore, it is the break, the pause, the thing you reach for when the day starts dragging. And then the prefrontal cortex, the part trying to regulate the craving, looks at the label. 0 sugar, it's fine. The craving gets permission. That is the stack. Not one craving, a whole network agreeing with itself. Sweetness keeps expectation alive. Caffeine reinforces the routine. Fizz gives the body a signal. The ritual feels like relief, and the label makes it feel harmless. So if your sugar cravings survived the switch, it does not mean you are weak. It means you changed the drink before you changed the signal. And this is where most people make the next mistake. So what should you do? Find out in the next video.